Everyone, my name is Nikita Chanda from 11 Science, and I'm representing Kendriya Vidyalaya Rangapahar in virtual science rally where the theme is technology for toys, and my topic is how wind energy works and what is the science behind windmill. So, it is hard sometimes to imagine air as a fluid. It just seems so invisible, but air is a fluid like any other, except then its particles are in gas form instead of liquid. And where air moves quickly in the form of wind, those particles are moving quickly. Motion means kinetic energy, which can be captured just like in energy. Moving water can be captured by the turbine in hydroelectric dam. In this case of wind energy turbines, the turbine blades are designed to capture the kinetic energy in wind. So let's take the help of this model, and let us visualize this part of this model be as turbine and this blades as the blades of windmill. So here for this model, the source of power is batteries, and the motor is helping to rotate these blades. So here is the demonstration. So the rest is nearly identical to hydroelectric setup. When the turbine blades capture the wind energy and start moving, the shift of shaft that leads from the hub of the rotator to a generator, the generators turn the rotational energy into electricity. As the essence getting electricity from the wind is all about transferring energy from one medium to another. Wind power all starts with the sun. When the sun heats up a certain area of land, the air around the land mass absorbs some of the heat. At a certain temperature, hot air begins to rise very quickly because a given volume of hot air is lighter than an equal volume of cooler air. Faster moving hotter air particles exert more pressure than slowly moving particles. So, it takes fewer of them to maintain the normal air pressure at a given elevation. So, from biological point of view, it is very reliable, and it is it doesn't cause any harm to the pollution, and economically it is also very friendly, but it takes a lot of economic wealth to construct these windmills. So thank you for hearing me out.